Hi friends. Today's recipe is super special and super healthy chocolate bar sparkles. I'm going to share a healthy chocolate salami recipe that's made without sugar and perfect for guilt-free snacking. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and press the bell icon bell. Now, let's jump into the recipe. Step 1. Prepare the biscuits, 020 to 040. First, take some plain salted biscuits. Break them into small pieces using your hands. Don't crush them too finely. We want a nice crunchy texture. Step 2. Melt the chocolate, 040 to 105. Now take dark chocolate and melt it gently using a double boiler or microwave. Make sure the chocolate is smooth and shiny. Step 3. Sweeten naturally, 105 to 130. Add 2 tablespoons of honey to the melted chocolate. Mix it really well. This gives natural sweetness without using any refined sugar. Step 4. Combine everything, 130 to 155. Add the broken biscuits into the chocolate mixture. Mix until everything is fully coated and well combined. Step 5. Shape the chocolate salami, 155 to 215. Place the mixture onto butter paper or parchment paper. Roll it tightly into a log shape, just like a salami. Wrap it well. Step 6. Chill time, 215 to 235. Put it in the freezer for 2 to 3 hours until it's completely set. Final step, slice and serve, 2:35 to 3 o'clock. Once chilled, remove it from the freezer and cut it into slices. Your healthy chocolate salami is ready to enjoy. Smiling face with hard eyes. You can store it for weeks and enjoy it anytime. Outro. If you liked this healthy dessert recipe, don't forget to like, share,